So we're going to evaluate the definite integrals using that graph below, and basically we're just trying to find the area. So for this first one, we're trying to find the area from when x is 0 to when x is 4. And we can kind of see a triangle there. Then we just have to go back to our middle school days to remember that the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. The base is going to be right there. That's 4 units long, and it appears to be 5 units tall. So this is just going to be 1/2 times 4 times 5. We're going to leave out the unit squared part, and that'll just give us 10. So the integral here will just be 10 for this function from 0 to 4. Then from 4 to 6, as I switch here, from 4 to 6, I'm going to go from here to there. We kind of got two different areas here we need to figure out. One is going to be above the x-axis, and the other part is going to be below the x-axis. So I'm going to need to just sketch out two triangles from this. So we have the one above the the x-axis and the one below the x-axis, and they appear to be the same. So that would make 0. But just to be sure, let's go through and just to make sure of this, that the base for the first triangle here for above is 1, and the height is 5. So the area is going to be 1/2 times 1 times 5. And below it, it's going to be 1/2 times the base here is 1, and the height is 5. And this is, since this is below, we're going to subtract it. So this is going to be the same thing. It is 2.5 minus 2.5, which is 0. So you can have a negative area for this type of problem. But for that middle one, it's going to be 0. And for the last one is the area from 0 to 9. Well, we already found out what the area is from 0 to 6. It'd be the 10 plus the 4. So let's kind of break this up real briefly. So I broke this up from the integrals from 0 to 4, 4 to 6, and then 6 to 9, because we already calculated 0 to 4, which was 10. And we calculated the 4 to 6, which is 0. So now we just have to figure out what it is from 6 to 9. In 6 to 9, everything is below the x-axis here, and we can make a rectangle out of this. And this looks to be a 3 by 5 rectangle, so that's going to be 15 units in there. So this would be a negative 15 because it's below the x-axis. And then 10 plus 0 minus 15 is going to be negative 5. And that would be our area, or sorry, integral for the whole thing from 0 to 9.